Pakiramdam ko tuloy, sir, parang birthday ko po. Naiyak pa nga po ako doon sa patribute niya. Alam niyo, sir, kahit papaano, nakalimot po ako sa problema ko. Bigla pong nabuhayan ako ng loob. Nabuhayan po ulit ako ng pag-asa. Na kahit ganito po yung itsura ko, sir, sinabi niyo po sa akin, pinaalala niyo, na kailangan kong maging matapang. Kailangan ko pong lumaban. Salamat po.
That's what I was trying to do.
I wanted to remind you that even with those scars, it doesn't change who you are. And it doesn't change the way how I feel about you.
Pasensya na kung naputol yung pag-uusap natin kanina, Ikit. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko sanang aminin sa'yo yung nararamdaman ko.
Sir, ano po bang nararamdaman niyo?
You're very special to me. And it doesn't matter how you look.
Ang dami kong nakilalang ibang babae. Pero ibang-iba ka sa kanilang lahat.
Because you're still the same funny, charming,
Higing simple mo,
loud.
yung pagmamahal mo sa pamilya mo, yung pagiging palaban mo. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa'yo.
One little girl that I've come to like.
And when my last relationship ended, I didn't think I'd be able to feel this way for another person again. But that's until I met you. And before I realized it, little by little, you were fixing my broken heart.
Dati, hindi ako yung tipong nagsiseryoso o mahilig sa commitment. Pero ngayon, wala akong ibang gusto kung hindi makasama ka. Parang may malaking kulang kung wala ka. Gusto kita, Ikit.
And I know I'm your bossy kid. And a lot of people are gonna disagree with this, but I don't care about that. I don't care what they say. What matters to me is how I feel about you. Because I really, really like you, kid.